English Welsh future, to be, I will be.
byddaf,
You will be.
byddi.
Welcome to your future, to be. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to have fun and own the Welsh future tense? We're diving into the English Welsh future of to be. Keep your ears smiling. Tiny jokes, quick drills, and real phrases you can use today about tomorrow. Your goal today. Say each form out loud, own the sounds, own the future. I will be.
byddaf,
E.g., I will be ready.
byddaf,
Y.N. barod. You, sing, will be.
byddi.
E.g., you will be fine.
byddi.
Niawn. He will be.
Bydd e.
E.g., he will be here.
Bydd e.
YMA. She will be.
Bydd hi.
E.g., she will be on time.
Bydd hi.
A.R. Amser. It will be.
Bydd.
E.g., it will be sunny.
Bydd.
Hyen Hulog. We will be.
Byddwn ni.
E.g., we will be there.
Byddwn ni.
YNO. You, plural, formal, will be.
Byddwch.
E.g., you will be welcome.
Byddwch.
YN Kale Creso. They will be.
Byddan nhw.
E.g., they will be ready.
Byddan nhw.
In barod. Mini dialogue, Tomorrowland. Listen in and repeat the Welsh lines with confidence. A. At 7, will you be there? B. Yes.
Byddaf.
YNO Seth. A. And your friend? B.
Bydd e.
A.R. Amser, A.
Bydd hi.
YN Dodd Gita the. A. The weather? B.
Bydd.
Hyen Braff. A. Great.
Byddwn ni.
YNY Cafe. B. To the group.
Byddwch.
YN Barod Urban Schweck. A. And the band? B.
Byddan nhw.
ARYLLY Fan YN Fuan. Call and response drills. You speak first. I reveal the answer after a pause. Go for it. Say, you, sing, will be amazing. Answer.
Byddi.
In Wyke. Say, we will be at the station. Answer.
Byddwn ni.
YN Year Orsoff. Say, he will be at home tonight. Answer.
Bydd e.
Gartref Hino. Say, they will be on time. Answer.
Byddan nhw.
A.R. Amser. Say, you, plural, will be welcome here. Answer.
Byddwch.
YN Kale Creso YMA. Culture tip. The weather wizard. Welsh loves a cheeky weather phrase. Repeat these with me.
Bydd.
Hi in or y fori equals it will be cold tomorrow.
Bydd.
Hi in hulagam ypnawn equals it will be sunny in the afternoon. Pro tip. For weather, you'll often hear hi as a dummy subject.
Bydd.
Hi in. Laugh break. Future bees. A tiny joke to glue the forms in your brain. A motivational bee buzzes at you.
Byddi.
Okay, another bee points at the group.
Byddwch.
Arylly fan mewn pum. And the queen? She declares.
Bydd hi.
Gita the. Future bees, future wins. Pop quiz. Quick fire, answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q1. Welsh for, I will be. A.
Byddaf.
Q2. Welsh for, they will be. A.
Byddan nhw.
Q3. Complete. Tomorrow, we will be ready. Y4, blank, and barod. A.
Byddwn ni.
Q4. Formal, plural, you will be. A.
Byddwch.
Q5. Weather, it will be rainy. Blank, high in WLYB. A.
Bydd.
Challenge round. Build a future plan. Say each in Welsh after the beep. 1. At 6, I will be ready. Model. Ch.11.
Byddaf.
Yn barod. 2. You, sing, will be at the cafe. Model.
Byddi.
Yny cafe. 3. He will be there soon. Model.
Bydd e.
Yno canyon bow here. 4. She will be happy. Model.
Bydd hi.
Yn hapus. 5. We will be on the mountain tomorrow. Model. Y4.
Byddwn ni.
Ary minus. 6. You, plural, will be on time. Model.
Byddwch.
Ar amser. 7. They will be at the concert. Model.
Byddan nhw.
Yny singered. 8. It will be sunny tomorrow. Model.
Bydd.
Hi and hulog y4. Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it, future you is proud. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms in quick daily bursts, and you'll sound natural fast. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, quizzes, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, repeat your wins and say it with a smile.
Byddwch.
Yn hyderus.